Yo guys, what's going on? It is Mr. Crayfish and welcome back. Hopefully my microphone's on this time. Yesterday we started out without a microphone on, but it should be back on right now. And welcome everybody. We're doing a live stream, but what's the time right now? It's super duper early. Usually like I'd be streaming an hour later or 2 hours later, but as you can see, it is super duper early for you guys, so I hope you guys like this super duper early live stream. You know what sucks? Coffee, right? Cup of Java here. With no sugar at all. I've got no sugar. I gotta go get some. I'm out of sugar. Nah, ugh. Just a plain coffee is not good. Sugar is for the weak. You can have sugar. Sugar's not bad for you. It's just bad for you in large quantities. But yeah, we're continuing with our GitWeb development, and today hopefully we're going to be able to finish a bunch of it off. I actually kind of started working on some of it off stream, but then I'm like, you know, I better save it. So we're back here, and we're starting off with, basically I wanted to create like a kind of a component so it can be put in sort of anywhere real easily. So basically I'm creating like a web view component, which technically you guys could use, but it's not in the actual kind of official API. That's a cool thing. But I see everybody in the chat right now. I saw all you guys chatting before the stream even started. So thank you guys for the pre-stream hype. But yeah, if you guys enjoy this live stream today, make sure you always remember to go ahead, snap that like button, and as well, if you want to get a shout out, go over to my Twitter, link in the description below, and go retweet this live stream. It's super duper easy to go do that. You don't get shout outs for free. Y'all got any of those shout outs? Alrighty, so basically creating like a web view component. We got this kind of class over here for building. I kind of want to, I don't know, web view builder. I might call it maybe like website builder, maybe. Website builder. I don't know what to call it. Because like this can really just be static, which is the annoying thing. And it can almost just be a method. Like we could literally have this here and have a private. That's probably the best way to do it, to be honest. There's literally no reason to have that outside anywhere. Website factory? No, you're all about that factory hype. We don't need it. Factories if you want a class that builds different types of objects. Like many objects. Holy shit! The original creator.
I have proven you wrong. After the first tip, I did not make the mistake of not squashing again. It was just two separate single change pull requests that I believe you mistook for one that was not squashed. You know who I am, XD.
Wait, what? I have proven you wrong. After the first tip, I did not make the mistake. Oh, okay. I did not make the mistake of not squashing again. It was just the separate single character pull request that I believe you mistook for one that was not squashed. You know who I am. Okay. We have a mystery person. And I'm pretty sure it's somebody from GitHub that I was like, why the heck are you doing this? I know, that was a creepy message. Find the person, guys. Find the person. Let's see. Phone going off. Cray, what's with the early stream today? It's because I had to get up early. My dudes. Is that a problem? Is that a problem? I can end the live stream right now. I can stop it right now. Hey, I installed Java 64-bit and my Minecraft works a lot better. It would do. It really would do. You do not need to install Java 32-bit anymore. Any computer that you get now is 64-bit. I don't know if they even sell 32-bit computers anymore. If they do, what the heck? Mine is 32. Wow. Anyone that has a 32-bit computer, what the heck are you doing? (32-bit) Windows 7. Jeez, Ocelot. Upgrade. Is it sad I game on a MacBook Air? Yes. What do you play like? What do you play on there? Like nothing? Do you play like nothing on there? Alright, so I guess I'll just create it as like an inner class here, public static class modules, because what I'm going to do is sneaky take this out and then just pop that into there. I don't know if I even need to do that, really. Yeah, that looks fine. The music is playing, burning, tonight. Alright, so we simply have to parse this data now. Alright, so let's do like a test. How can we test this out? I keep getting notifications. Get out of here. Hold on, Snapchat. Snapchat notifications. I play COD, GTA, and Gmod mainly. My Mac has a lot more emulators than Windows. Give me a variety of games to play up than people on Windows. Cray, can you give me credit in your latest community message? Is the meme? Was it the meme? I just steal memes. I don't know, it's like, I don't know. I can give you credit, but no one's like, yeah. I feel like the meme communities, like, there's like this thing where it's like, it's kind of like this underlying things like who like you create a meme like I don't know. I always have this thing that's like with memes, it's kind of like it doesn't really matter who creates it type thing. Like some person's not going to be angry if you create a meme and somebody else steals it, because that's kind of the culture almost. I think that like the culture of memes is actually stealing it, because like it's a meme type thing. It's not like a work of art, but like I can give you credit, dude. I'm not saying like I'm not gonna give you credit. I can give you credit if you really want. Holy shit! Hey, Master Chief, what's up, good? What's up, dude?
Good luck with stream. I'm going to be a little late.
It's because I started early. It started early, so Master Chief can't make it. Thanks for the $5 donation, dude. Though, hopefully I'll be still streaming by the time you get on. What the heck? We got so many freaking donations.
Really? use the original creator, because I originally created GitWeb, thought that was pretty obvious. Lorem ipsum dolor sit emet, consec tetra dipus elite.
Oh my god,
it dolor ad ipsum portator tinstadant, etium portator purus and valiant pat.
He's coming in with the French. He's coming in with the French. Cheers for the $1 donation, dude. I'm sure there'll always be someone who could claim a meme. I mean, the Fine Bros tried claiming React videos. Yeah, I don't think anybody would try to claim a meme. Because like, a lot of memes are already copyrighted. Like, have copyright content on it. So you can't really say, you know, that's my meme. Oh my god. This coffee tastes disgusting. I mean, it's like lukewarm now anyway. It's like a lukewarm. So it's... Blah. Alright, so... This is going to be the most difficult part, is actually reading in this data. And converting it. So I wanted to do a test, but I don't know how I'm going to be able to do a test easily. So clean up just the ends, trim it up. Because the thing is, like, this is like... I think it's split. Whoops. Split it by a new line. And then I'll do it here actually. Lines. I banned a few people for breaking the unwritten rules too. What's the unwritten rules? Cray, can you add the updated vehicle mod? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I was supposed to do it, but like, I forgot. I'm gonna do it 100%. Can somebody tell me exactly what GitWeb is and what Cray is working on right now? Well, I would be the person, dude. I would be the person. Basically, it's a mock. It's basically an internet browser, but not like you would think it is. So if you think about GTA 5, where it kind of has like these fake websites, basically, it doesn't actually have real internet. It has kind of these fake websites. I wouldn't say like this is fake websites, because basically you can actually create your own websites. You can create your own websites, which is awesome. It's just not like real internet where you actually connect to like Facebook or YouTube or something like that. So it's kind of just basically like a, you know, special internet browser. But hopefully that answers a bunch of questions of what I'm actually doing today. Reading args equals false. I want to like clean up this method because it's like too many things, like just it feels awkward now. It feels very, very awkward now, so I gotta clean this up and make it seem Like, what could I return here? I could return... What the heck? Why have I got so many freaking alarms on? What the heck? Why did I set like 10 billion alarms? Let's create another method here. Private list module entry parse data. I know my limits, it can take me down, but... Alright, so we're gonna have this here instead. And then this will be... like that, and then we pretty much done there for that. To see you again. Alright, it's 1 AM. I need to go now. Thanks for coming along, King Yoshi. Sucks that like that. Once daylight savings goes back, then it'll be better for you. But for now, like, it kind of sucks that it's been pushed. Everybody's schedule's been pushed back an hour. The other day at school, one of my friends did something about. Blah, blah, blah. Gonna have to let me know how it goes, Green Bean Games. I'm playing games. She's playing games. Daylight savings shouldn't exist, pretty much. What do you think are the most important things to know when modding? I'd say MBT, block states, JSON, proxies, and events. Yeah, learn MBT. Because that's Minecraft. That's kind of the format of saving you want to use. I mean, it's used for like tile entities and that type of stuff. Yeah, learn JSON, learn block states, proxies, kind of everything. Learn everything is the most important part. Comprende? If line that starts with that, I'm gonna say reading args equals true, because we want to have like a different mode here, like reading arguments. Because we have to create a map string data. Alright, so if it starts with that, we're going to do data equals new map. New hash map. New hash map. It's not entirely useless. Like, the reason why we have daylight savings is to make it so the sun it kind of like makes it so it's better for the, I don't know, because if it was an hour, because we went an hour back, it would basically mean that the sun would come up super duper early, I think. I don't know, one of those two. Like, I mean, the sun would come up at super duper early. And but yeah, it causes more problems. Like, there's countries out there where the sun is up until like 9, 10 PM. Like, that's insane. 9, 10 PM the sun would still be up. Like, doesn't seem right. What if I grow stronger? The string I'm trying to figure out what module. Let's call it module data. String data equals line dot split. So we're going to say if data.length doesn't equal to 2, return null. And we're going to say if modules equals null, we can throw like, I don't know, illegal. What's an illegal format exception? Is that appropriate one? Unchecked exception thrown when a format string contains an illegal syntax or a format specifies incompatible with the given arguments. So it's to do with like strings. I don't know if it's. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's appropriate. I think it would be appropriate. I don't know. Would that be an appropriate exception to throw? Invalid website data. Why is this wrong? Alright. Oops. It's private. Illegal format width. Just create our own exception. Someone imported the full text of Vetcher into GitWeb, did they? I saw that. Rest in peace. We add like a browser or something like that that spits out examples depending on the word the person searched for. What do you mean, like a Google search type thing? Well, I'm happy you used my edit. Look, I can see the sun coming in right now. We're up that early. We're up this early, guys. Like, I can see the sun coming in. Jeez. Alright, throw a runtime exception. Like, I wonder if we can just throw it here. I mean, we shouldn't do this, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We could just handle this like return null. If modules equals null, return null. And we can just say like, if our website that we generated is null, there's obviously an error when generating it. We don't really need to throw an exception. It's expensive too. MC auth servers down. I don't know. Check the server thing. The sun is going down for me. It's a cloudy day. It's a miserable day today, to be honest. I'm supposed to be having a party tonight. The confusing world of coding. Hey, yeah, that confusing. It ain't that confusing. Else if... We'll just make sure. The only way it can do this is if it's actually reading args. So I'll say, oopsie. Return null. Return null. Module data. Put. Oh yeah, we need to verify the we'll just do that. That's probably because I'm not utilizing it. We don't really need to do that. Because, like, I will say null. Because, like, the only way it'll get into here is if it goes into there. We don't actually need this reading args, because let's say... Because if we're not reading this, we're reading an argument. And I will say module equals null. I'll say module equals modules get line dot substring 1. Okay, that works, yeah. Substring 1. How can we verify, like... So here we can say... private void the thing is, like, a lot of these methods, like stuff like this, calculate height, has like nothing to do with the actual class itself. Like, it doesn't utilize anything from the class. Like, I don't know. So you're going to keep the current GitWeb icon, or do you need to create a new one? I think we're going to create a new one. Just because I want it to fit kind of the theme of all the icons. I don't know. I'm not, because yeah. Like, maybe because I know what it looks like, that it's actually trying to like be like like looks like the Earth, but also have the word G in it. Maybe we could, I don't know. Let's see if, I don't know. I don't know how I want to do it. I really don't know. If you guys have any ideas for the icon, let us know. This, that, okay, yeah. And then we'll put in this data, because we basically need to verify it. So we can do string required data equals module get required data. And we can say for string required. I was like, what's like the what's the singular name to this? But it's just required data. Because like data's like singular and plural at the same time. Like that's a piece of data. Or it could be like that whole entire thing's data. RIP. S. Data. I'll say if data doesn't contain, say return false, return true. We need like a... So the thing is like, every time like... So... We might say if line dot is empty, continue. Just, I don't know, just as a safety caution type thing. Because I guess if you want to organize it a little bit better, you might want to split it up. Public static void. So say if module doesn't equal to null, What type of coding for Minecraft, Crayfish? What do you mean, Java? Java, my dude. My crush is texting me and she keeps saying she's ugly, but she's the prettiest girl I've ever met. Text her back. Be like, Crayfish. I'm watching Crayfish. Does she watch Crayfish? I'm not really a Roblox guy, but I sure have fun playing around in the studio. What? Data equal the zuck. Don't get zucked, my dudes. New module entry. Module data. There we go. Now again, this can be like static. Cause this, I don't know. A program that comes installed with Roblox and lets you build games. No. She doesn't know who you are. She doesn't watch YouTube that much. Rest in peace. So we'll say here add entry modules. Module data. Because basically what we're assuming if we find another one of these hashtags is that we've kind of finished off type thing. And then at the end of it, we're assuming it's finished up as well. I know, that's fine. We could say, like, instead of that, compile. Compile entry. And then we can say return if I'll say module entry equals saves us from now I have this problem of just having the same code. It's kind of annoying. Have you heard of the song Fireflies by Our City? Of course. In it, I believe your eyes. ear rape version. Best one out there. That's the best version out there. Any song that's the ear rape version is the best one. The day I start watching YouTube every day is the day I get a life. Every time I stop watching Crayfish, I feel normal again. I enjoy life when I'm not watching Crayfish. GitWeb development equals new stream with content. I like that. Mr. Crayfish, did you know they're awesome Minecraft music? What do you mean? Mr. Crayfish, what type of mobs you make? I don't know. Are you talking about mods? Mods. I make lots of different types of mods. Alright, so... where are we up to? Dart. If module dart doesn't equal to null. Else. So if this doesn't work, right? You know, if it's none of these cases, that means we have a problem, because it should be. So we're going to return null here and be like, yo, something's wrong. Something is wrong. Alright. So... oh, we can't test this out yet, but we're pretty much there. So we're going to say... listen. Alright, we have a problem here, because basically we have a scrollable layout, but we're adding that layout. So calculate height. So we have to do here instead. This dot layout dot height equals calculate height modules width. Don't need that anymore. Module layout. That can be, yeah, it can be a void. What can we say here? We can return, but then we can like display dialogue. Display a dialogue? I don't know. Something. We need to indicate that something's wrong. Play Fortnite. You come to the wrong channel, dude. You became obsessed. What? Obsessed. Obsessed with our city. You're gonna have to be a little bit more Pacific. You're gonna have to be a little bit more Pacific. So this one's gonna be like different. So this one is like load link. So this one's like an asynchronous method, so serve callback. Say callback. What type of callback do we need? So we can say like generate for X success, generate layout response. We don't actually have to use that. Let's get rid of that. Say callback if callback doesn't equals null. Just say that. All right. Like, we might not even use this, because what we might just use instead is that the set data one because it doesn't mean we don't have to do anything. The other day at school, this kid got on my nerves and I got him in a headlock. Oh dang! There's some beef going on. There is some beef going on. Ripstream? Hey, Ripstream. What are you talking about? We still good. We Gucci. We Gucci. This should really be like load website. Load website. The reason why I did a head o'clock is because I'm not a puncher. I'm a jujitsu. Set content. Rest in peace. Okay, so what we can say maybe is why is there an ad on live, Cray? I must have missed something critical. I don't know. I don't control it. What we could say if, let's say, line doesn't start with this or something like that, we could just say maybe like modules. I don't know. I want to say like, I guess we could, yeah. Oh well. Like I wanted just to parse it as like a blank website then, kind of like how it is right now, so I can keep kind of support for the old websites. Like keep support for the old websites, but then still have this new system. So I say reading module equals true. Else. Reading, we'll say reading plain. Keep support for it. I'll keep support for it. Stop chatting, I need to see if this is where the download for the flossing dance mod. Did he forget to release it? I haven't released the dancing mod yet. I'm gonna do it soon though. At some point. It's just a bit involved.
No.
Alright. So, we could just say actually. Okay, so if this happens, right, what we can do instead, we can actually just do modules dot add module new modules dot get text. I'm gonna have a private static module entry create plain website. Create plain website, and we need to just return string content. And then we can say module map. I'll say data equals new hash map 1. I'll say 2. Oh no, say 1. I'm not sure when it resizes, so because like we don't need to, like the default load factor is 16. 16! And I'm a grandmother. I gotta go to work for a few hours, but before I go I was wondering if there was will be any way to open an application from an application. Yes, I'm gonna be adding support in the future. Don't you worry. It's just in the works at the moment. What I'm gonna do is how you would open it from another application is you would specify the ID of the application and then some NBT data. And then that would use that to pass it over. Which is pretty simple. So I think what we'll do is we'll make the initial capacity 2. Because if we do that, because I'm pretty sure if we do 1, load factor, we could do like 1 and our load factor is 1.f. Because what we want to do is make sure we're not using crazy amount of memory. Like, we only need the required amount. We don't need to create more than we should. Let me just go hash map load factor. What does the load factor mean? Okay. So it's basically at what percentage of the hash map before it doubles the capacity. So if we do 1.0, hopefully. So what happens when we put oh, let's put val. Let's go to put. It's put val. After node insertion. Nope. I don't know exactly. I added the new file that has some ideas in Discord. Please check it out. My crush said the kid's face. My crush said the kid's face turned red and people had to let me go. After that, my friends had to hold me back. Hold me back! Dude. They're holding you back, damn, you're legit. You're legit, dude. They had to hold you back, holy shoot, dude. You're wild. Oh my god. They had to hold him back, guys. He would have wrecked him. He would have wrecked him. What was it? It was here, wasn't it? What's this? Guess what's being released today? Hey, what the heck, Graded Warrior? Hey, hey! Hey now. Hey now. He's trying to compete. That's a nice icon though. That's a nice icon. Oh my god. Who did this? Who did this? Who did this? Someone created this one too. Outside noises in my stream? Huh? Who's here? Who's here? Oh no. No. iFunny triggered. It's got an iFunny meme. Oh, you're talking about the config. What's site type? The thing is, right, okay, this is the problem though, Minecraft dude, is that we now have to make 2 requests to do it, because we need to get both files. I don't know if it's not really a good idea to do that, to be honest. Like, the current system is kind of fine if we actually have in the actual file redirect. The site type, I'm not sure what that is, what you mean by that. Because I've added support for legacy in this, so... create. Okay, never mind then. Move out the way, GitWeb. We got competition. Except we're Chrome. Except we are Chrome. Alright guys, let's go ahead, let's see if this will work. See if this will work. Will this work? I don't know if this will work, but we're gonna find out if this works. Application GitWeb. Alright. So web view equals new web view. Hold me back. Width, height, eek. What's the height of the layout? 240. Say 230. I'll put a 5 padding. Oh. V has an issue. I guess we could say I in here. Alright, here we need to do... Oh, this is confusing. How are we going to do this? Alright, so what we need to do is like when we actually set the layout right, we need to go through all the components, check if it's a text and add this word listener to it, otherwise we're not going to be able to load links. And then let's go layout, browser, add view. Let's go view.set load website. So let's go something like just welcome. Hold up, maybe we'll create the actual create an actual thing up here. Do that. And then we'll say, oh yeah, we forgot about pastebin. I know that might fall under. Holy! Who is this? Master Chief? Hey. Oh my god, the jar just exploded.
Also, here is something I found laying around.
Holy, what the? I thought that was $2. Holy shoot, dude. Coming in hot with a $25 donation. What the heck? Dude. Yeah, just found that lying around. Yep. $1 million. Just found that lying around. Found this phone. Look at this. I just found this phone lying around. Here you go. Dude, cheers for the support. Holy shoot. We're actually up to a testing stage right now, Master Chief. We've implemented this kind of new module system in. We're going to be testing it out right now, just a plain type of text, and I hope it works. I hope it works. So let's go ahead. Let's try it out right now. Can we get some hype for Master Chief? Holy shoot. That $25 donation. Let's go ahead. Yeah. Yeet. Yeet, my dudes. Yeet. Web view. Oh, this is a bad song. Oh my god. Bad song. Set content. Slow data text. Okay. Who thinks that this is going to work? Place your bets right now. Place your bets if you think it's going to work or not. I'm about to explode. What do you mean? Oh boy, the builder is going to need some changing. Yes and no. It's gonna need a little bit, but it's gonna be easy still. But like, Master Chief's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. The builder, if you implement it correctly, it's gonna be good. Like, it's still, like, I still have support for legacy websites. So, hopefully. Ah! Ah! Yo. Where's my, Oh no, we didn't add it. Whoops. Oh no, we did. Oops. Let's just see. Are we actually calling this? Oopsie, we didn't need to. Yeah. Let's just all make sure it's not returning null. Mr. Capish, you owe me 200 now. $200, it won't work. Oh my god, 1,000 it won't work. Damn, I'm gonna be broke. I'm gonna be broke. Are you able to VC after stream? I can for a little bit, but then I've got to head off. If you want to discuss GitWeb Builder, I can do that quickly. Discuss GitWeb Builder. Have you guys seen my latest video? Let me know if you've seen my latest video on my main channel. What did you guys think of it? Hi stream, what's up Wesley? And if you guys, again I want to remind you guys, if you guys want to get a shout out in this live stream today, make sure you go over to my Twitter and retweet the link for it. And as well, if you're enjoying this so far, make sure you remember, go ahead, snap that like button right in half. Go to lorem.official when you get into the app. Okay. Is it doing anything? Module size. Okay, so we got the actual data. I see what I did wrong. Okay, don't worry. We forgot to get the last one, which is module size take 1. Yeah. We need to add in support. It's kind of weird, but it's not. It's like to do with scrollable and height. I do that right? $355. What was the size of the scrollable? Scrollable because it needs text layout. What? What's this scrollable at text layout? The heck is this? Set text. This got components. Start clear. Let's go to web view. Why did we create this? Like, what's the... okay, I see. Who disliked vid? I don't know. Who did? Who disliked vid? Let's reload. Visible height. What's X and Y? Are we not pushing this correctly? I don't know if we are. %100% broken. Unlike it's like 100% broken. Unlike the other one that Graded Warriors building. Unlike the one that Graded Warriors building, which works 100%. See, I just like this, how it's like got the same code here. So annoying. My crush is dating someone, but she likes me. What? How? Hold me back, eh? I'm trying to figure out what's causing some issues here. Maybe we have to do like this dot layout dot update components XY. Do we gotta do that? No. What happens if we get rid of this? Oh no, here we go. Scrollable layout. Give that a left and a top. Alright, let's try that. Oopsie, you didn't have to reload, but oh well. You should still check out Lambda Official even in this broken site. It won't work! So I put you down just like a pill. Take you like a pill. Alright, is it gonna work now? That is the question. Is it gonna work? Well, it's a little bit better. A little bit better. The only awkward thing is it's not like letting me scroll. It's not letting me scroll, which is kind of weird. Let's try it again. What's height? height is 179, visible eye is 180. Okay, we gotta fix something up. Maybe that's still too big. Oh, there we go. The problem was that it was too big. My bad. My only problem now is that this scroll bar, for some reason, is like awkward as heck. This scroll bar is awkward as heck. Alright, so GitWeb still works. Alright, so I think it was to do with web view here. Get rid of that. Yeah, it was. Still awkward as well. It's not right. In the middle, Alright, so we need to take like 135. Yo, that's lit. What do you guys think? That's lit. Alrighty, so yeah, there's nothing really like crazy about this so far, because this is just a legacy website. That address don't look right. Oh yes. Oh wow. Amazing. But here's just a test of what GitWeb can actually do. There's so much. I can't even scroll to the bottom. I'm not going to be able to do it. Oh, what the heck? Where the heck was that? What happened there? Hold up. Oh, I know what was wrong. Web view, load website, go layout. Public void. Reset. Scroll. Alright, there we go. Who's this? I've liked her since Scare School began. Oh. I'll get to sponsor tomorrow. Mr. Shellfish coming in hot with support tomorrow. Demonetize. What do you guys think of this? Do you guys like this application now? I want to like create some other modules, obviously. We don't have any modules yet. Alright, so web view, we need to say here. Generate layout, we'll just say generate layout. Layout dot reset scroll. So that should like, you know, if we go like there, it should go back to the top of the website, which it does. My mum said tomorrow because she gets money tomorrow. Well, only if you really want to, of course, you know. Only donate if you guys really want to, you know. I'm not telling you, like, you guys donate at your own kind of free will. But I appreciate, you know, people that do donate. And thank you to everybody that has so far today. And Master Chief especially coming in hot with some pretty big donations. Holy shoot, dude. He's donated 30 bucks today. Holy crap, dude. Holy crap. Clickable links still don't work? Yeah, I gotta fix that up, don't worry. So what I'm gonna do is like for each and I was gonna say if component instance of text we'll also do like a, let's get rid of that for now. Private static final private static word listener. Oh no, we can't do that actually. We can though do this. Can do that. And then we need to grab the pattern link. Where's this being used? Okay. It's more appropriate that we put this into here. And then if GitWeb wants to use it, we can just say web view pattern link. That'd be load website. Callback. Not really. So we can do something like that. This method's like too big. It's so annoying. We could have like private void, update, listeners. Yeah, whatever. Pretty simple way to do it. You should add the ability to save state soon, so you can actually see the screen on the laptop GUI, laptop out of the GUI. Yeah, I don't know if I want to do that, to be honest, because it's just too much networking. I personally don't want to do it. Cause it's more of, it's just like a very slightly extra thing. It's nothing that will, like, it's too much work for little kind of, you know, too much work for, you know, a little outcome. Not really. It's too much work for such a little result. I mean, the states I can do, but I'm not going to make it render what's on the screen. You know, I am adding the state system. I'm going to add the state system in. I'm just not going to render onto the laptop screen here of what's actually thing. That's what I'm meaning. Oh. Whoops. So we're gonna do like, it's gonna be like a recursive. We want to do like a recursive. I guess no, we have to do layout. Layout equals and then we have to do for component this is the one that we want to, the thing is, like, we want to do it recursively just in case somebody has, like, somebody develops a kind of module that has embedded layouts which then have text in it. So, see, like, this is getting quite lengthy now. Like, this should work now. Oh my god. What went on there? Oh, concurrent modification. Might need to like asynchronized. Can that be final? I think it can be final. Oh. It's not necessarily good. They're like a concurrent array list. I think I know why. It's because in WebView it's just something to do with here. So basically we handle a mouse click, and like because there's like, you know, things still left. So I'm wondering if components dot for each, will that clear anything up? Would that cause any exceptions? Right, whatever. What's the size for banners? Just check what mine are. I'm pretty sure it's like, I need to have it stated somewhere what the size is, but it's like 500 by 800. No, 500 by 80, sorry. A banner is 500 by 80. I think it can be any size actually. I don't know. Can we download the device mod with GitHub in it? No, not yet. Still issues. Same thing. Can we do like, is there like components dot? Wow. I'm pretty sure you can do it like this. So you can do like while.has next. You can do this. I dot next. Same thing, apparently. We'll see. Am I just doing things weird? This is a Christian Minecraft server. Alright, see if it works. Regardless, I'm most likely going to have to end off the live stream, so in 7 minutes here will be the end of the live stream, dudes, because we're almost up to 2 hours. We are almost up to 2 hours. So yeah, Stu has... Alright, so we're gonna undo all this. We're gonna think of another solution because whoa, no. So we need to create a different solution. Create a different solution. So the problem is that like we're keeping the layout. Got to go. See you later, dude. Thanks for coming along, Minecraft Doodler. The thing is, we're keeping the layout. We're not creating a new one. The thing is, like, I don't want to... The web view, I want it to be contained in itself as well. So the only way would be to say like clear, right? Clear would be, it wouldn't clear it straight away, it would mark it as clear. We could potentially do that, mark it to clear it instead. We could say pending clear. And then we can say in handle tick. And I'll say, probably do it before this, if pending clear. Components dot clear. Pending clear equals false. And then we're saying clear. This is pending clear equals true. And then that means that won't happen during that execution of the button. So it will happen after it, so we won't get that concurrent modification exception. Dude, I only drank half my coffee. I only drank half of my coffee because I'm out of sugar! I'm out of sugar, baby. We've done everything we can. It was Friday the 13th, guys. It's Friday the 13th! Who's scared? Who's scared of Friday the 13th? Yeah, it's not Friday the 13th for me, it's already over, but for some of you guys, probably Friday the 13th. Oh. Okay, so that's something to do with pending. We'll be more raw here and we'll say clear. Because this here can be load data. Load website. Interesting. Alright, so maybe instead of a pending clear, we do a web view. We can say private string, private pending website. Just explicitly say it's null. Then we can say handle tick. I'll say if pending website doesn't equal to null. Then we'll say this dot load website. And I'll say that is null. check Discord memes. Uh oh. No! Hey! Hey! Hey now! No! You can't. That's illegal. That is illegal. Alright? That's an illegal meme right there. I would never do that. I would never do that. That's a misuse. Misuse of that meme. Never do that. Still loading. Ah! Apparently it's not picking up the right thing. Apparently it clicked on target host is null. I know. Hold on, are we doing this right? I don't think we're doing this right. You know, we're not doing this right. This here is like a legit website link. So we need to go to GitWeb. I thought it was like a something to do with concurrency. We need to do something like this. Load website. We might also have to add a link. We might have to add a hook into WebView here to handle the actual bar at the top here. Or some sort of callback. Adding a callback for when something's loading and whatnot. Because then we can add in like disable certain things depending on. But then also still make it so other people can use the WebView. It's not exclusive to GitWeb. It can be used for anything. Otherwise, load data. See you in the next live stream. See you later, DJ Kurtz. I live across the world. There we go. Got to go see you later, Mr. Crayfish. Thanks for coming along, Shark Attack. Shark Attack! Is the live stream about to end right now, Cray? Yes, I'm supposed to be ending it now because I got a busy day ahead of me. So, yeah. I forgot to look at the responses. Did you guys watch my latest video on my main channel? Did you guys watch the latest video on my main channel? What did you think about it? Because it's a little bit different than what I normally do, so... Like, I've done them before, but like, it was a different style. So I was curious as to what you thought. Cringe. Oh my lord. Also, like, you only watch this channel, don't you? Mainly. Is your last video about Steve driving? The other is cringe, oh my god. No, it's not. Hey, there we go. So that's cool. So I think we'll have like a callback. We'll have like a callback to like what website we're loading. And then it needs like a callback for like the cringy jumping up from the bottom of the screen gets me. How's that cringy? How's that cringy? Ocelot's a hater! Ocelot's a hater. I don't see it as cringy. There's a lot more cringy stuff out there, dude. If you think me jumping up from the bottom of the screen on my webcam's cringy, you haven't seen the worst. You should have your fans help you with Steve videos. Yeah, that'd be cool. I want to do like a racing one, but I don't know how. It'll work. It looks like Pewds. I've been doing it for a while now. I didn't get it from PewDiePie. I've been doing it for a while. Like, I got a standing desk, and then pretty much I just thought, you know, what if I jump up from the bottom? Yeah, we gotta fix that up. I gotta fix up something, because like, see, I can't click that. Until I actually scroll, it fixes up. Like right here, it doesn't work, but until I scroll one little tad, it works. Uh-oh. Let's see what's on this now, because there's a ton of other stuff now. There's a ton of other stuff. See, like this thing, right? See this list? See this list here? This can actually be like, you know, maybe formatted better now. Because if we have different modules, right? You could do some really cool stuff. Yo, who's that? My favorite website. Well, I mainly find YouTube pretty cringy. Finds every single video, not a cringy video. That's cringy. Non-cringy video, that's cringy. It was way worse in the unedited video. Oh my god. Didn't remind me of that. Holy shit. Why doesn't that work? I think it's because of scrollable layout. Yeah, we need to update the components. It's not dependent on anything. I think that works now. Yeah, it does. Cool. Perfect, guys. Have a look at that. So, working nice. Super duper fast. Oh, it's because we've cached it. But I think next live stream, what we'll do is start adding in some new modules and actually test out this system, because right now we don't know. Well, we don't even know if it works right now. If I know Doodler's not here, I guess we could add our own website quickly. Do you guys want to test it out and see if it works? Is there like a test branch? I have to talk to him about all the heckin' domain names, because personally, there's a lot of them that are useless or unnecessary. So, let's just create, I don't know. I don't have this downloaded. Try the new builder. Oh yeah. Have you got the jar? Master Chief, nice. No. No, 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 no. Nah. Yes. Yes. That's what I think of when like I do that. I'm like, nah. Nah. No, 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 no. Then the one, yes. That's the one. That's it. That's what I think of when I look at that meme. Oh wow, sick. I like this. GitWeb new. We need to test this out. I don't know how. Well, we could do something like application GitWeb. Let's do webview.load data. We'll do something here, so we can create like a string data equals, and then we'll say hashtag text \n text equals hello. So what we should see is that when we actually load that, hey, what do you know? There you go, guys. So basically, it parsed this, extracted the information. Hello, my dudes. How is it going? Just random sounds. So why this is awesome is because you can actually like write this in kind of like normal text. Only thing I don't like is that we're using \n to split everything. happens if we do that? Okay. So what we could do further is that, you know, if we actually have a \n in it, because you can't actually write a \n. It's like an invisible character. You can't actually write it, but you can if you actually write plain text and you do \n, it will actually be in it like that. So what we could say when we actually do have this, because maybe we want to be able to write on a new line, so we want to be able to do hello dude, what is going on? I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good. Yourself? Like, we want this to be just a part of the text here. So, just use semicolon. That's not a bad idea. We could use semicolon to end it off. Could use semicolon to end it off. Yeah, there's that, and then there's like, this will work, that's the thing. This can work. So, for instance, if I go into wherever it is, I think it's module that we want to go into. Alright, so it does, like, this does need explicitly like a an actual \n in it. The problem if we do that though is, yeah, we're gonna have to change around how that works, because we want to be able to do that. So we might have to use the semicolon type idea. You should load old text in the file until it loads another. I've already done it, oh. Yeah, but the thing is, like, basically, how it works is that this text, like, we say text equals whatever. The thing is, like, with the module system, we might have more than, you know, text. We can have, like, an image. It's not just purely text. We could have an image which is actually like a URL to something. So loading in the rest of it until it finds another hashtag won't. I mean, it can be exclusive for the text, but I don't know. Like right now, this is kind of the formatting of it. So let's go ahead. Whoops. So like, this is the idea that I want. I want like this. What the heck? So yeah, this is what it would look like in actual like a text file in this kind of order. I should have like this up. Let's copy that. So this is what a website would look like. So that's what it would look like until it finds like another module. So we could have like another text module here and be like, text, dude, what are my dudes? So like that. So that's kind of the new formatting of websites as we do this. We could also try that out. We actually haven't tried that out yet. So let's do another text here. And let's do text equals welcome. So this should add like a oh. Modules. What was it? Out of bounds exception. How's it out of bounds exception? I know, hold up. Pretty sure we need \n on all these. Why not just like, what? Allow it to rain, but it's not. I've explained it so many times, and this is why we developed GitWeb. It's not possible. It's not easily possible. You want to create me a if you can create me a website renderer, plus support JavaScript and HTML5, and then make it so I can render inside of here, go ahead and be my guest. Because I'll tell you right now, nobody has done it. I'm not talking about just Minecraft, but like almost just Java in general. Hey, there we go, that works for some reason. There's the \n, which was the issue. So as you can see, we've got like two different modules here, but actually like on a different line. So that is cool, I like that. Integrate a Chromium client into server side. Doesn't work like that. You're forgetting the render part out. You're forgetting the render part. This is not JavaScript. This is Java. How could you do that in Java and render it with OpenGL? You gotta render it with OpenGL. Remember? The problem, Ocelot, is that, okay, let's render text. Let's render a texture, alright? What happens if I click on something? What happens if I click on a link, a menu item? It's impossible. You don't understand, like, Website rendering is one of the most difficult things ever. Like, nobody can just pull it off that easy. And that's why we didn't do it, because it's not possible. Hello, my dudes. How's it going? Alright, so that's going to end it for the live stream. Thank you guys for coming along. I'm going to go ahead and do some Twitter shoutouts right now. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, snap that like button right in half. Show your support for the live stream. Let's go to the retweets. Alrighty. Who we got here? Going live. Whoa, ton of you guys retweeted. Awesome. We're going to shout out to Master Chief, Minecraft Doodler, Out Over Ellie, Thorwin, Rock, I don't know how to say your name, dude. Geek Boy, Griff, K Gamer, YouTube, Fabi50, Donovan Wood, King Yoshi, Builderboy426, Ocelot, Yasao, Astro Shinwa, Duncan, Owen Vorse, Michael, Haunted Corpse, we got a last minute one, Austin TV. Cheers guys for the amazing support there over on Twitter. Holy shit, it was a lot of retweets. I appreciate you guys so much. But yeah, progress today on GitWeb has been absolutely amazing. Some things we've still got to change around, but we are going to sort that issue out. Do not worry. But I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for coming along, and peace out.